proud Pinoy and explain why. Are you drugs? How dare you ask me questions like that? My God, you're insulting my perfect beauty from head to toe. My goodness, what kind of pathetic question? Guys, can you think of something else? Some kind of a question that are really relevant to like current events right now? Well, if Takeru Miyamoto is not a proud Pinoy, don't ask me that question. It's a garbage. I'm not a bean or a garbage bean to throw questions like that. How can I be a proud Pinoy if I myself, from head to toe, I'm beautiful? My God, I cannot be proud Pinoy because it's obviously I'm a Pinay. God, stupid question.